Are you wondering about GetResponse's refund policy? In this quick explainer, we'll break it down so you know exactly what to expect when it comes to getting your money back from GetResponse. Stick around, because I'll also share some alternatives you might want to consider for your email marketing needs. First things first, GetResponse does offer a refund, but there's a catch. If you're on a monthly plan, you can request a refund within 30 days of your payment. But that's only if you've paid for the current billing cycle. If you're on an annual plan, it gets a little trickier. GetResponse doesn't offer refunds on the unused portion of the year, so you could be out of luck if you change your mind halfway through. Next thing to keep in mind is that GetResponse's refund policy isn't always super straightforward. If you've used their services for a while and decide to cancel, you're not automatically entitled to a refund. You'll need to contact customer support to initiate the process, and even then, it's not guaranteed. So, if you're thinking of signing up, make sure to thoroughly check their terms and conditions to avoid any surprises. The third thing you'll want to consider is that GetResponse does offer a 30-day free trial, which gives you a chance to test out their service without committing. However, if you forget to cancel during that period, you'll be charged, and unfortunately, they don't offer a refund for the trial period once it's over. That's something to be aware of if you're trying out their services risk-free. Now, let's talk about their customer service. Many users report mixed experiences with GetResponse's support team. Some get quick responses, while others say it takes longer than expected. If you do need to contact them for a refund, it's a good idea to reach out as soon as possible to avoid any complications or delays. But here's the thing, while GetResponse does offer some good features, there are other email marketing platforms that have more generous refund policies, better customer service, and features that may better fit your business needs. Stick around, because I'll be sharing a great alternative to GetResponse that comes with an exclusive free trial. The fourth thing I'll mention is that GetResponse isn't the most affordable option out there, especially when you compare it to others that offer similar or even better features at a lower price. So, if you're really just looking for basic email marketing, you might want to explore other options that can save you money while offering comparable or better performance. Now, let's talk alternatives. If you're after a tool that offers not only great features, but also a more flexible refund policy and customer service that's highly rated, you're in luck. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to a free trial and benefits from a competitor that outperforms GetResponse in key areas. This competitor offers similar capabilities, but with a more user-friendly experience and a refund policy that's easier to navigate. So, if GetResponse hasn't convinced you yet, definitely check out this alternative and make the most of your email marketing strategy without worrying about cancellation hassles. To wrap things up, if you want the best deal, check out the exclusive extended free trial available through our link. You'll get a better refund policy, improved support, and more flexibility with your email marketing goals. So, before you commit to GetResponse, consider these alternatives and grab that exclusive offer while you can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.